guys, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I need to do is clip my hair back. I had makeup on earlier. Since I knew I was gonna film this video, I left some of the eyeliner on, and that's okay. I'm first going in with this Honey Grail. This is amazing for dry patches of skin. After that, I'm going in with my vanilla lip mask for my lips. For foundation today, I'm grabbing my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I love this because it's so buildable. To conceal, I'm using this Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Hydrating Foundation. I just like the extra coverage it gives me. It's really nice. Then going in with my Naked palette in the shade Dark Horse to darken any sparse hairs in my eyebrows, make them look fuller, thicker. Now, going back in with my Dream Radiant Liquid Hydrating Foundation from earlier, I'm using that to conceal and shape the brows. And can I just say that I remember doing my eyebrows in middle school, growing up, and concealer was a big game changer. I was using Q-tips and my saliva, seriously. And now look at, we've come a long way. So what you really want to do is grab your face powder and pack it until your face can't breathe. If your face can breathe, if a pore can breathe, you're doing it wrong. You need to pack it all the way down. Then with this Ace Beauté bronzer that I got in my BoxyCharm, I am applying all the colors on my face. All of them. Just mix all of them and put them all of them. Mix them all and pat them everywhere on your face. And blend until you feel like the world is about to end. Just blend your life away. So now what you have to do is contour. Look at what this is gonna do. It's like magic, you guys. It's like, I don't want my nose to look like it's breathing, so I want to suck it in as much as possible. The skinnier the better. Just suck it in and blend it away. I think I did a really amazing job. My nose is not even there. Anyways, I'm taking my brown contour and under the lips, we want to make them look as blown up as possible. After that, I'm going in with my Naked palette again and with the shade Virgin just to highlight the bone. Going in with my Rimmel Maxi blush, I'm just gonna flush out my cheeks for that youthful, beautiful look. Time for baking. I just cut my cheeks in half like this. No specific strategy. Then I'm going in back with my contour shade palette and just outlining my eye sockets. Using this blending brush, we're gonna blend away all of our sins. I'm going in now with my Breakup Proof by Wet n Wild black eyeliner, and I'm just going around the natural outline of my eyelids. If I could tell you how many times I get asked if my lashes are fake or real, it's because of this mascara. It's the Voluminous Butterfly Waterproof Hydro Fudge Mascara, and it is bomb. I'm telling you, either Walmart, Target, wherever, it's phenomenal. Make sure to blend it all away, and then I'm going in with my Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray. Time for lips. Go in with any lip color that you usually like to use, and I'm just gonna apply it and then clean it up with my concealer. You guys are gonna see. Look at that juice. Here's just a disclaimer, just to be careful, you know, when you're doing this technique at home, not to pop your lips because of how juicy they look. Look at that. Look at that juice. Juicy juice. Taking my blending brush now, I'm just blending away the black mascara marks. Ta-da! And now I'm all done. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.